Hi viewers, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. This is Seema Dudley, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. In this video, we will discuss about two topics, that is the difference between big data and regular data, and also about the evolution of big data analytics. So the difference between big data and regular data. Ed Dumble, the founder chairman of O'Reilly, defines big data as the data that becomes large enough that it cannot be processed using the conventional methods. Also, the McKinsey study defines big data as it is a data set whose size is beyond the ability of typical database software tools to capture, store, manage, and analyze. And the definitions can vary in different sectors depending on what kind of software tools an industry uses, and also it can vary according to the size of data sets that an industry is using. And the data size can vary from terabytes to multiple petabytes. Big data is not just a definition of raw volume of data. The real issue in this big data is its usability. According to a renowned blogger David Smith, according to his perspective, this big data is not a problem. The real challenge is defining or developing a most cost-effective and reliable methods for extracting valuable insights from this terabyte of data and petabytes of data available now. And here comes the importance of big data analytics. Next is about the evolution of big data analytics. At the beginning of 80s, we had a system called Enterprise Resource Planning System, that is ERP. It was used in the business organizations to manage all the business data and to give a useful insight into the demand and supply equations. But the big data analytics is beyond that. Big data analytics can forecast even about a good future. Not only data analytic tools help to determine the current customer needs, but also it can predict how a product is going to perform in the future. And this insight can only be seen by integrating both big data analytics as well as the ERP system in the business organizations. From the beginning of 1990s, the CRM era has started. That is the customer relationship management era. And most of the companies had made a substantial investment in customer facing technologies, and this was a failure in developing a expected value. And the failure for the reason is the management forgot that the big projects require a synchronized transformation of people, process, and technology together. And a solution for this is big data analytics. From the beginning of 2000, the e-commerce era has started, and the e-commerce required a technology providing key insights about the needs of their customers and predicting the trends in customers' behavior, democratizing of advertisements to suit the customer's taste, and also to provide a performance metric to access the effectiveness in meeting customers' need. And the small kind of mistakes in all the eras can be avoided by using the big data analytics and the technology of collecting data. That means the big data is the easy part, and the hard part is figuring out how the outcome of data analytics is used in the enterprises to generate an output. A small assignment connected with this session is write about the evolution of big data analytics. Write the question and answers in your notebook and post it in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.